logged in means the user is an authorized user. Then after that, once the user is logged in, what page should get open in front of him? Okay, so what we generally expect that it should open the account summary details. Okay, so this page should be displayed once the user is logged in into the application. Okay, now he can check his summary details by clicking onto the links which are present. You should give, as an architect, you should also give that where the link should be present. Okay, now if the user wants that if the client wants that his user should be able to pay the bills also and should transfer the money also, so it is the responsibility of the architect now that he should provide with the links, or if he wants that there should be buttons present over there for paying the bills or for transferring the funds. So in whatever manner he wants the page to be displayed. So suppose say he wants it in the form of link. So there should be a link for the payment. Okay. Then after that, there should be in the account summary, while you are in the account summary page only, there should be a link for the transfer, for transferring your money. Okay. So there should be a link for the transfer funds. Now, once the user has, suppose say I want to do some payment as a user. Okay. Now, if I'm going onto the link, if I'm clicking onto the payment link, then it should ask me that where should or on what type of payment needs to be done. Okay. If suppose say I have to do some electric bill payment. Okay. Then I should be able to give the account number. So I am able to give the account number. I should be able to write down the account number. Now once the account number is written over there, then I should be able to get that what all modes are present for payment. Okay, whether I want to have a debit, I want to use my debit card, either I want to use my Visa card or the credit card. Okay, so modes of payment should be available. Now after selecting those mode of payment, I should be able to successfully do the payment. Okay, now if how would I know that my payment is done successfully? There should be a pop-up message that your payment is done successfully. Okay, so I should get a pop-up message. Or if there is if my payment is not done successfully, then also there should be a message which should appear on the screen. So all these things, or all these links, that after which page what should get open and all those things, it should be written in your high level design by the architects. Similarly in transferring the funds also. Okay, so over here that I should be able, if I'm clicking onto the link of transferring the funds, I should be able to go in, I should be able to open a page, okay, wherein the account number should be present. I should be able to write down an account number to which I want to do the transfer. Then after that it should ask me for the fund that I want to transfer. Okay, then once I have entered the fund, then when I'm clicking on to the button of transfer the funds, once the transferring is done, it should give me a message that whether the transfer is done successful, or if due to some reasons it was unsuccessful, so it should intimate me. Okay, the message should be available for me. And also in each of the pages after the login, okay, in the account summary and all these pages, there should always be a link at the top for the help. Okay, and also there should be a link for logout at each and every page after the login, so that if at any point the user doesn't want to continue, okay, so he should be able to log out, or if he wants some help, so there should be a link present at each and every page for the help also. Okay, so all these designs, these all things are done by your architect. Clear everyone? And these all things are written down in the plan and in your if there are some specific, like these type of things like the high level design, they are written down in your SRS. Okay, Now after this, the development phase come into the use. Okay, that come into the scene. So I guess Sarda, you were in the development team, yes? Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you going to do now?
Yes.
So this is the architect's design for you. Okay. Now you as a coder, what you will need to do?
Yeah, based on the business required document and the design document, like we do the coding. Like we start using the coding, and we write all the programs and everything. How far we can do it. So then it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So see, Sarda, what you have to do, see, you won't be provided with the BRD. Okay. As a coder won't be given the BRD. He or she would be only provided with the design document.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that is being prepared. Okay. And he would also be given, he or she would also be given that, see, for the login, the estimated time is 1 week. Okay. So you
Oh,
would be given the estimated time that you have to
okay.
complete this particular module of login in a week.
Okay.
Now, yes. Now, under this login, also your architect will tell you that um, that the username should be of, or what should be the acceptable characters for the username. Okay. Suppose say it is between some 7 to 8 characters, or it should accept some integers also. So you have to create the code depending upon the requirements.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then you also will have to see that that it is clearly visible to the user. Okay, if suppose say the user has not entered a proper ID, okay, then what should
Hmm.
happen? So it should get a pop-up message that your user ID is not proper. Okay, then with that,
Okay.
whether it is easily available or whether it is easily seen by the user also or not, your your website colors won't be too bright so that it affects the user. Okay, so all those things are also being taken care by you only.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this is from
Okay.
the coding point of view. Okay,
Mhm.
then
Thank you.
yeah, okay. um, then was the testing phase. Now once the coding is done properly, then you have to test the software. So I guess Ronak, you were there for testing.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Ronak. So what will you do in the testing phase?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, Ronak, I can hear you properly.
Oh, okay. Um, so we have to now the rough software is already there, so we have to test it by stepwise. First, we are going to try for login information if we can enter more than 8, less than 6 characters and numericals, whether it works correctly.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to like test for every step for account summary, whether they are displaying correctly or not,
Yes.
payment is displayed correctly or not, or we can schedule a payments, or we can do the transfer person to person, and whether it's displaying the pop-up message correctly or not, whether we can interrupt the process by doing the logout at any point in time. And
Exactly.
after doing all this, before doing all this, we need to first develop the test which in the computer, which is going to automatically uh, you know uh, test for the software, uh, putting all the different kind of information and giving us information back that these particular bugs are there, or these issues that need to be addressed, and we need to tell that bugs or incorrect information or errors in the software to the developing team again, and we got to retest them
Yeah.
again until
So
it's.
that would be like the in the later part. Okay. But as a tester, what you need to do, if you talk about the code from the coding point of view, when the coding is being completed, then you have to prepare the test cases and try to execute those test cases. That suppose if my login has some proper
Right.
specifications. Yes, so we have to check that whether that login functionality are working properly or not. Okay, and
Right.
if at any moment of time, suppose say if there is a power failure, then what should happen to the application? Or if it
Right.
crashes all of a sudden, then what should happen to your account? Whether your information is secured in that point also or not. So all these things you need to test from the testers point of view, right?
Right.
Okay, so that was good enough. Okay, so this is about how you develop a software. Okay, what all things needs to be done and what is the role of each and every person in your IT project team. Okay, and about the testing things, we will discuss a lot in detail about it because it needs to be covered. This is what we are here for, to cover up these portions only. Okay, so for this class, are you clear with the software development life cycle and the things that I have explained to you for this session? Anyone has any question for today? Yes, Kumar? Hello?
Hi,
Yeah.
this is Kumar. Would you allow me to ask you a question?
Yes, yes, sure, you can go ahead.
Here is the thing I have. You have a business requirement given by the client to the business analyst, and he writes down all that document, what the customer wants.
Mm-hmm.
That document you call business requirement document. Now, this one to translate into SRS, who will do it, and what are the ways of doing it?
See, once the requirement is given by the client, okay, so I'm saying that these requirements are in these simple terms. Okay, if a non-technical person is giving you, those requirements would be in the simple terms. So those requirements are converted into your technical specifications in this BRD only. Now it is the responsibility of the architect to convert those high-level technical specifications into the design format in the SRS. That is the system requirement specifications. Okay, so your architect along with the system analyst people would convert those things into the SRS. Okay, it is not that the business requirement document contains a simple language which is written by the client, only the client requirements in the simple language. It is in the technical format.
So down the road in hierarchy, when the tester gets, does he or she gets the SRS, or she gets the BRD, or he gets both?
See, majorly he will get the SRS. Okay, but if the client wants that he should get the business requirements also, so depending upon the time and the like if your client wants the tester should be given these things, so he could be given. Otherwise, majorly he is given the SRS only.
One more question.
Mm-hmm.
Then when you start writing down, I don't want to go ahead of my other colleagues, some of them they might not be able to use it, but when somebody has to write down the test cases, at the time you use, in your, you are a tester yourself, you use usually the SRS, or you are using the help of SRS and BRD when you work?
See, this is what I told you, it depends upon from project to project. If
Oh, okay.
yes, if in a project my client doesn't want the BRD to be shown, then I can't use it because it is not available.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
That's right.
So majorly the SRS is available, but sometimes with SRS we are as a tester we are also given the BRD also.
Okay. That makes sense. Thanks, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Any question regarding today's session? Yes, Prasanna?
Yeah, Vidya, not about today's class, but you are recording this class, right? Will you be sending this class to us?
Yeah,
Recording?
the recorded session would be sent to you. But it
Oh,
would take, yeah, but it would take 1 to 2 days, okay?
oh, okay.
I have to convert it and then upload it. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes, Ronak?
Yeah, so I don't understand what is SRS like. When I see other softwares online, SRS is a system requirement or something,
Yes,
or
it's requirement
SRS.
specification. See,
So,
yeah, this is the reason why I have not written it over here previously. I would be sharing some SRS with you,
mhm.
okay, in the later sessions. But for today, just keep it very simple that it is a high level design only, which we have discussed over here. Okay, so a design
Okay,
would be,
so that means tester can use the SRS, their requirements or their design
to check this test,
design
yeah,
the
to
test,
write
right?
down the test.
It's like a checklist.
Yeah, because see, as a tester, we
Oh,
are also depending upon the design only because we don't know the workflow. I don't know that after login what should happen. Okay, so this is
right.
a model which is prepared before starting the coding and before starting the testing. Okay, so our project manager or the technical lead person, he has given this model to all of us that see after login, this page should be seen, the account summary should be seen to each and every authorized user, and then there should be some links for payment, there should be some links for transfer. Then if he is clicking onto that, then what should happen? So these are the models, or you can say that these all are the steps which should take the software ahead. So this is prepared by the architect and this is only what we are also taking in use. Okay.
Okay.
But don't worry, I will be
Mhm.
sharing some SRS with you. Okay, later on.
Okay, and one more other question. I mean, I didn't know that every time when I want to speak, I get to raise the hand, and then you will unmute me, and then I can
So,
talk.
yeah, because see, if I'm unmuting you all and I'm also speaking, I'm taking the class, so there are some background noises also. So you also won't be able to hear me properly, and also other persons would also get it.
Okay.
Okay, so just raise a hand, I would unmute you. Okay.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. So, later on I figure out that I get to raise hand to speak like that. So,
I
thank you.
sometimes
That's
told
all.
you in the previous class. If not, so I'm sorry for that.
Yeah.
So just make sure that
Okay.
you're raising hand and I would unmute you. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, Prasanna, do you have another question?
No, Vidya, I'm good.
Okay. Okay then. I guess we are done with the class now. Okay, Kavita, you have a question. Yes, Kavita.
Hi Vidya, to become a tester, does he or she know about the role of BA or this program manager, architect, and all those documents in detail, or
No, 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 not in detail, but you should at least know that if someone uses some technical terms in front of you, if you they say that okay, this is the BRD present over here, you have to, as I said, for some projects you have to use the BRD. Okay, so at least you should know that what all
hello?
would. Hello, hello, are you able to hear me, Kavita? Hello,
Hello, I could not hear you.
hello,
Yeah,
yeah, are you able to hear me now?
right now I can hear, but earlier I think it got disconnected.
Okay, okay, no problem. So the reason why we discussed the name of all these documents or why we discussed all these things today were, if you go into the IT field, at least you should know that if someone asks a technical or if someone says a technical term in front of you, you should be able to understand that what it should contain, what exactly he is talking about. Okay, so
Yeah.
yeah, see, as I told that you won't be given with the BRD every time. But if in some project your client wants that the BRD should be given to you as a tester, you should be provided with the BRD document also. So you should be able to figure out that what exactly I'm going to get. Okay, and what this BRD and what these documents mean. Okay, so this is the reason why we discussed everything, and obviously you would be getting the SRS. So you should be able to know that what this SRS contains.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Okay, okay, Ronak, you have a question?
Yeah. I have a question is that do you have some books, PDFs, or we can have some special kind of software to, get oriented with what you're talking, I mean, the software testing thing?
Yeah, see, I would be like sharing the things with you. Okay, but it would take me 1 or 2 days. I would be sharing the material also and the recorded link also, which we have recorded for today's session. And also, if you want, I could send you the class notes. If suppose you want this note, which we have made today in the class. So if you want me to share this thing also, I can share this thing also with you. So that later,
Okay.
if you want to like
Right. Revise that.
revise or not, so you can go and can take it. Okay. I will be sharing the slides also with you.
Yeah, if you have any book or PDF that I can, just read whenever we have time, that would be good along with this.
Okay. I will make it available for you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Kumar.
Vidya, I need to ask you now, since he asked me the books, the previous gentleman. Will you give us the licenses for the HP, QTP, and all those things, or do you want us to go and download the trial version and, as usual, the other people do, or do you have a license for all those that we can install?
No, no, no. We are not using the license versions, but I would be giving you the user ID and the password so that you can all. I would be giving separate IDs and password. Okay. Then we would be coming to that session. Right now,
Okay.
no, but I'll take care of all those things.
Okay, one more thing. I don't know, this class will be over soon, I understand. I want to find out something, if you can answer me in the class, or you want me to send you an email. Last time I tried to read, but I forgot your email. Something I would be interested towards the automation side of this. I don't know, that's really...
Yeah, for that, Kumar, you should send a mail to me and to the Bhagya Tech website, okay?
Okay, thank you. And your name is Vidya, right?
Yeah, Vidya.
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we are done for today. Okay, Prasanna, do you have a question?
Yeah, Vidya. In this course, you are not going to tell about automation testing here?
No, we are going to discuss about the automation testing also.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so are we good now? Yes, Kumar?
Hi, now since I understand that your job is towards the teaching part. The admin people, I called them before the class, but I think they were unable.
Yeah, but you must have received his mail, and the timing over there is from 1 p.m. EST to 9 p.m. EST.
Oh, then I was early. Okay, so I should give them a call after 1 o'clock. Okay. Thanks, ma'am.
Okay, then I think we are done for today. So have a good day, everyone. We'll see you soon for the other class. Thank you. Peter, you have a question?
Next class is Thursday, right?
Yeah, Thursday.
Same time?
Yeah, same time, 10:30 a.m.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone.